I'm going to be making the ultimate pop-out Valentine's Day card. It's going to be so much fun. So, happy Valentine's Day. I'm wearing mine, love others. You can get this at IDCollective.com and you can find more at the end. Okay, let's get started. Okay everyone, so what I've done first is just put out a piece of paper, a regular piece of paper. And the first step is you're going to want to cut off these ends here. Like this. And if you can, try to get it as straight as possible. It will be easier because the dots, they're easy to cut off. And there, the first step is done. And you can save what you cut off for later. We might need it. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this over like this. Then I have my card. So the next step is you're gonna want to take, I forget what these are called, but I know they're notepads or something like that. But you're gonna take some and you're gonna take one. This is gonna be our base for the card, or what it's gonna look like. The heart. So we're gonna take this. I'm gonna start off by drawing 2 points. This is gonna be the heart. Then we're gonna draw it like this. And you're just drawing a heart. You can draw this with a pencil. I'm drawing it with the Sharpie so you can see it. Like that. So then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna make sure it fits. So we're gonna cut off these ends so we're gonna make sure it fits. And it looks like it's gonna fit really well. So instead of cutting it off now, I'm gonna cut it off after we color it. So what I'm gonna do next is just color in some fun colors. So you can just color your own design. So I just colored the heart like you saw, and now I'm just gonna go run and get some decorations like some. Okay, so now let's see what beads. Okay, so with this part, you don't have to have beads, but I'm gonna use one, and I'm just gonna find one I like. Okay, so I like these. They're really pretty. So I think I might use these also. So I think I'm gonna go with these two. I'm gonna put this back. I'm just gonna use these two. Okay, let's go back. Okay, y'all, so I just came back and I got some beads. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a glue stick and I can glue them where I want them to. So, where I want them to be. So, I have my glue stick here and Crazy Art washable glue stick. And I'm just going to glue this on. You can use liquid glue also. That's also nice. I use that sometimes. But I think right now I'm just going to use this. Then I'm just gonna glue on the bead. So I'm just gonna put a little on there. And then connect it. Like this. Let's see. Now I have a bead card. Pretty cool. I think I'm just gonna use one. And you might want to let this dry for a few. But looking good. So I'm just gonna cut around our heart. Now what I do is I'm going to take one more poster card. I'm going to cut it cut straight like this. Or for this part you can use paper, but I'm going to use this because I think it's a little bit more thicker and it should hold it up more. I think I might make that a little bit more thicker. And you're going to cut two. I'm going to use these two pieces. What I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of go zigzag. So I'm going to go this way and go this way until it's like a nice zigzag. So now it's just like that, so it should be a nice zigzag. And I'm gonna put something on top of it. Let's see. I'm gonna put the Bible up here. And be sure to get the Bible because it's very good and you can learn about God a lot. You can learn about Jesus. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same thing and I'm gonna use this and do a zigzag. Okay, so let's take the Bible off of this. Again, be sure to get that. It's a very good book and the Holy Spirit can talk to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place some glue on the paper or our card we're using and try to kind of measure it for like where it's going to be at. And you can use tape also. I'm going to glue on the other end. And I'm going to kind of glue the back of it where it's going to be. Okay, so I had to apply a little bit more glue, but it looks great. It's definitely popping out. And it even has a shadow on it if you use a light. Just really nice. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write Happy Valentine's Day on the outside. So. And you want to make sure you have enough room to fit all the letters, so you kind of have to plan it out. What you're going to draw here is a heart, and then make it a Y. Something real creative there. And then at the bottom, I'm just going to write Valentine's Day the same way I wrote it up there. Now I just color the letters. Hi, I'm Deja, like I said in the beginning, and I think I said. Well, if I didn't, I'm Deja. And I hope you guys enjoyed this like I did, and I hope you guys had as much fun as like I did. And again, be sure to check out the Bible. It's such a great book. And I've already read Genesis. I read Genesis in 5 days. That's how good it is. So it's a very nice time to spend time with God, and He can talk to you and give you directions. So I recommend that too. So I hope you guys had as much fun as I did doing this craft. It's perfect for Mother's Day, Father's Day, if you use like boy colors like green or blue. So I hope you guys had a great time, and be sure to get my shirt that I'm wearing, Love Others, at I Declare Faith. You can find more information about I Declare Faith at the end of the video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Get your I Declare Faith shirt at ideclarefaith.com. Please support by buying our shirts made for you. Yes, you. You're so special in our eyes and in God's eyes. You can buy my shirts at the website also. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe on YouTube. Support us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.